Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to discuss comedy of William Shakespeare or Shakespearean comedy. Shakespearean comedy occupies tremendous importance in the history of British drama or in the history of theatrical literature of England. William Shakespeare was a great comedy writer. He was born at Stratford-on-Avon in 1554 in England. He learnt little grammar and a few other languages in grammar school. He came from a very poor family. Later, William Shakespeare moved to London. He got a livelihood in a theatre of London. In the beginning, Shakespeare is said to do a menial work, a lowly work in the theatre. But Shakespeare was a great artist. He watched the theatre, he watched the enactment of the plays in the theatre very closely, very carefully, and they trained him as a great dramatist, as a great comedy writer, tragedy writer, and historical plays writer. Shakespeare was a comedy writer of par excellence. Comedy was in his blood. He is chiefly known for his comedy, though he wrote tragedy, two long narrative poems, one Venus and Adonis and other Lucrece, apart from 154 brilliant sonnets in English. Shakespeare penned 38 plays in all. He is still remembered and famed as a great dramatist or the greatest dramatist of the world. Shakespeare penned many comedies, but his chief comedies include a long list. There is a long list of his comedy. They include The Merchant of Venice, Twelfth Night, All's Well That Ends Well, The Tempest, Taming of the Shrew, The Winter's Tale, As You Like It, The Comedy of Errors, Love's Labour's Lost, A Midsummer's Night's Dream, the two gentlemen of Verona, the merry wives of Winder, Major for Major, much ado about nothing, Pericles, Prince of Tyre, and the two noble kinsmen among others. Now let me talk about some of the important features, some of the important characteristics of comedy of William Shakespeare or Shakespearean comedy. Comedy of Shakespeare has a struggle of young lovers to overcome the problems, often the result of the interference of their elders, parents. We will look at the Tempest. We find that the same struggle is there between the love of Miranda and the Ferdinand, the two great lovers. Similarly, we have a different sort of a struggle in the Merchant of Venice. Shylock's hold on Antonio creates conflict in the mind of Bassanio, who is a great friend to Bassanio in his love and happy life with Portia. However, the struggle is resolved amicably and it results in union, marriage of the lovers. The second important element of the comedy of Shakespeare is element of separation. The lovers and the beloved have separation from each other, and the climax of his comedy reaches here. But after the separation, they have a reunion or they have union which ends in their happy marriage or marriages. The third important characteristic of Shakespearean comedy is mistaken identity. The hero or the heroine are in disguise, and the hero or the heroine in disguise creates confusion and misunderstanding among the lovers in particular and the other people in general. In As You Like It, Rosalind and Celia go to the forest of Arden in disguise. When Orlando meets Rosalind in the guise of a shepherd called Ganymede, it creates confusion and misunderstanding between the lovers, though they meet frequently in the forest of Arden. Similarly, in The Merchant of Venice, Portia and Nerissa appear in the court of the Duke in the guise of barrister and barrister's clerk, respectively. So, the third important characteristic of a Shakespearean comedy is their mistaken identity in disguise or in the form of girl in the form of boy in the dress of boy, or boy in the form of in the dress of girl. The next important feature is a clever servant. Shakespearean comedy has a clever servant. Sir Roland de Boys in As You Like It is a servant to the senior duke, and he is a very clever man. The next important feature of Shakespearean comedy is family tension or family tensions that are usually resolved in the end of the play. The family tension comes up due to the opposition of the lovers by elderly people or by parents. But the lovers come over their conflict or tension in the end of the play. The next feature of Shakespearean comedy is complex plot. The plot of Shakespearean comedy is complex. Sometimes we have 2, 3, 4 stories interwoven or interconnected in such a beautiful manner that they have cohesion and unity in the play. There is a beautiful dialogues and beautiful conversation in the comedy of Shakespeare. So these are the important features of Shakespearean comedy. Thanks a lot.